Avoid these foods for beautiful skin. To achieve and maintain healthy skin, adopting good eating habits is crucial. Focus on incorporating plenty of fruits and vegetables while avoiding oily foods like fast food, including hamburgers and French fries. If indulging in these foods is unavoidable, opt for healthier cooking methods such as steaming or baking. One of the biggest offenders for troubled skin is refined sugar. Try to avoid sweets, sodas, and alcoholic beverages, as they can exacerbate skin issues. While moderate fat intake is necessary, limit red meat and choose healthier protein sources like chicken or fish. If you have acne, steer clear of milk, and beware of processed foods that contain harmful chemicals, hormones, and unhealthy fats like margarine and shortening. High saturated fat proteins, such as bacon and sausage, can negatively affect skin health and contribute to aging due to harmful cooking byproducts. Additionally, watch out for high carbohydrate foods like canned baked beans, which can spike blood glucose levels and lead to inflammation and skin damage. Instead, focus on whole grains that are digested slowly, resulting in lower blood sugar levels and reduced insulin release, ultimately promoting better skin health. Opting for the right foods is essential for achieving that glowing complexion.